We received a call from a property manager in the city of Orange to do a follow-up inspection on a furnace and air conditioner that was installed approximately a year and a half, 2 years ago. When I arrived, I found a Goodman 2.5-ton air conditioner that from the serial number had been installed in 2008. After examining the air conditioner outside and finding that the unit had been installed for approximately 9 years, I entered the residence and found that the circuit board had been removed, the condensate drain line cut, and the system doors off. Upon examination, I determined that the circuit board had water damage in several areas. Upon inspection of the furnace, also we noted corrosion on the vent pipe and a transition from the existing furnace that had just been installed to the existing air conditioning coil. The transition didn't properly fit the coil and didn't appear to be level. The system had not been properly sealed and the installation had been covered up by a bubble wrap type of insulation to conceal the poor installation. Here you can also see more corrosion coming from the vent stack, which could have been a possible source of damage to the circuit board. The existing furnace vent stack had been connected to a transite vent stack, which went through the attic and to the outside. The problem with transite, it's an asbestos type material that has a problem with condensation. You cannot install an 80% furnace to this type of venting. You will get condensation forming in the vent, and the corrosion or moisture that is coming down the vent pipe is highly acidic and can corrode out the vent pipe as well as the inducer motor and firebox inside the furnace. You can see here that there has already been dripping from the transite vent. It's corroding out the connection here, which eventually is going to rust out and cause carbon monoxide problems, along with the damage it's causing to the top of the furnace.